Do you have any extra rain jackets? With hoodies? Huh?
Well,
A camo poncho? Okay, we'll just bring them, and then if not, it's always better to have it than not. I guess, kind of. But
mm-hmm.